What's up guys, your Biglee here. Today I'm gonna teach you D-handle reverse triceps press down. When you're training your triceps, almost all the pulley moves are done bilaterally, so giving that unilateral attention improves your arm tremendously. Why? Because most of us are not gifted with equal strength in both the hands, which means the stronger arm is going to dominate the movement. But when you do it unilaterally, you're able to pay attention to each side of the muscle equally. So let's get started. I hold it like a biceps grip, that's why we call it reverse. Position my body and press the weight down and contract my triceps. Stretch, contract. If you see, I am contracting my triceps muscle and not my elbow. This way, you will be keeping your joints safe from the additional wear and tear. And for those of you who get slight discomfort with extension, this exercise could be a great boon in adding variety and angle to your triceps training. Until the next workout video, this is your Biglee, over and out.